it's lunchtime, guys. Lunchtime. Hi, guys. Oh, wow. Is that Beacon over there? He's got the whole bowl to himself in Grandview. Yeah, I know. You want me to pick you up. Why don't you go eat? And then there's Holly's. Hello, is this little Miles? Hi, Miles. Hi, guys. Go eat. Try not to step on anybody. And then there's Callie's. Oop, got a poopy picker upper. Hi guys, you having some lunch out there? You learning to eat dog food now? Yeah. They were all just taking a nap, so now they want to eat and get some attention. Forrest, you should just step out and let them eat. Or wait, or maybe not. Yeah, go eat, everybody. Then they'll play. Oh, there's Holly's. They're going home soon. They're enjoying the swing, and they run up and down the slide here. These guys are great at chase and swinging. And hi, Nina. Nina's new name is Gigi. Yeah. Vivian's gonna be Maggie. Sammy's gonna be Finley. Oh, wow. Moonlight, you're a good eater. Oop, there goes Grandview. There goes Beacon. There's Ponto. Hi, Ponto. We just call you Snoop Dogg. Everybody says you look like Snoopy. You okay, buddy? Did you eat some food? There goes Tori. She's following you. She's following you. Snoop Dogg says, "Don't you want to pick me up?" Yes. The two chocolate boys, they just said, "We'll eat. You guys get petted and we'll eat." Aww. Hi, Frankie. Hello, Miss Frankie. Hello, Miss Frankie. Hi, girl. Hi, look at all these little cute faces. I'm gonna miss your cute little faces. You make me cry. Okay, back to Callie's. Back to Callie's. They don't have a potty pad anymore. They pull it. So they just get a grate. Okay, we got somebody going poop where he's not supposed to. Hey guys. But that's okay, they're still learning. Some of them are good. They're good at night in the house. They really don't mess up their sleeping area. Yes, hello. Yeah, I know. You always want me to pick you up. I'm coming. I'm coming. Climbing over the gate. Hi, guys. Who's learning how to eat over there? All right, Stinker. You make a lot of racket when you want me to pick you up. Everybody wants me to pick them up. Oh, are you okay, girl? I'm playing keep away. Yes, I'm up on here. Hi, guys. Hi, Ed. Hi, Harry. They want to know how I get up here. You have to go around. Go up the ramp. Let's see if you guys get that. We just prefer to climb up here. Hi, Adele. Hi, Jessica. Hi, cutie. They're on both sides. Ah! You guys haven't figured out you go up the steps. Okay, go through the tunnel then. Hi, girl. You did it. Good job, guys. Okay, let's finish lunch. Got the puppy whisperer over there. Okay, so now they should all play like these guys. Wrestle, wrestle. Eat and play, eat and play, eat and play. And sleep. Lots of sleep. You guys need to go on the swing. Show everybody how you swing. I'm gonna go visit Rosie's puppies. Yeah, they're back at my feet again, climbing up my legs. Okay, now I'm down here with Rosie's. Hi, guys. Hello. Hi, there's only 6 of you. Where's Snoop? Snoop Dogg, did you just go potty back there? Where are you, buddy? Hey, Snoop Dogg. Hi. You little tail waggers. Hi, Grandview. You guys get in the swing. Everybody get in the swing. There you go. Here. Let's put you in the swing real quick. Come here. Oh, oh. There you go. They like that. Thankfully, it's gotten cooler weather so they can stay out here. We don't have to bring them in the middle of the day. It was pretty hot this week. Okay. Climbing out. He wants me to pick him up. Hey guys! Hey guys, come on! Oh, these guys are rough and tumble now. They didn't finish their food. Oh, look. Sammy Finley is interacting with Callie's. Hey, neighbors. Oh, somebody got the blanket out from underneath. They're learning to eat their softened kibble, so that's good. Mama left yesterday. They have teeth, they can eat. What happened, Nina? Something go down the wrong way? There's Vivian. Maggie. Hey, Chris. Hi. Hi, buddy. Oh, is that Naomi? That's Naomi. Oh, we got a little tug of war. Anyway, everybody's having fun. This is where they are all day. Okie dokie. Have a great rest of your day.